Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Coastal Sands Inn. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking and a non-smoking rooms. Coastal Sands Inn located in Wildwood, a 5-minute walk from Wildwood Beach. Coastal Sands Inn provides accommodations with a seasonal outdoor swimming pool, free private parking, barbecue facilities and a terrace. The property is close to Wildwood Boardwalk, Splash Zone Water Park and Morey's Piers. The hotel has a fax machine and photocopier and an ATM machine that guests can use. At the hotel, every room has a desk, a flat-screen TV, a private bathroom, bed linen and towels. Each room is equipped with air conditioning, and certain units at Coastal Sands Inn have a balcony. At the accommodation, all rooms include a seating area. Guests at Coastal Sands Inn will be able to enjoy activities in and around Wildwood, like cycling and fishing. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.